Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And here with Graze. Yay!
Food.
You see us in the same outfits. We did film another one. So, and I know some of the days, like if you mix and match them, you'll see that we're in the same outfits. Because one day we did 4 and today we're doing 2. So
our last video was like so disappointing for our boxes we got.
Am I opening this right way? I'm not. Okay, hang on. I'm trying to open it facing the camera. Okay.
I kind of miss getting this box, but I kind of don't miss getting this box.
Okay, so it says School of Farming, latest goings on in Kabubu. We're passionate about farming and where food comes from, so when we had a chance to start our own school of farming, we jumped at it. Aww. So that's what that looks like. And then, of course, on the back, it has the nutritional facts. All the products.
Expiration dates.
And expiration dates, yeah. I still have 3 left over from, like, I haven't even finished my other box yet. Huh. Anyway, okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is berry oat squares with superfoods. I think I probably have had this one, not sure, but I like them. This is like a little carb in the morning. Sweet rhubarb jam. I never had rhubarb before getting the Graze boxes, but I tried it and I liked it, so I'm okay with that one. So I've had that one. Sweet mustard ranch. I think my sister's gotten this one before. I don't think I have, but it sounds like it should be good.
It's $15 for this box, guys, just in case you didn't know that, and sometimes you can get a discount on it. So,
and I'm trying to make this video faster. Cinnamon banana energizer. Am I saying that right?
That sounds good.
Cinnamon honey almonds, chewy banana, pecans, and raisins.
And you don't have any particular thing on there saying you don't like, right, other than coconut, right?
I think so.
Yeah. And mine, if you guys don't remember, I had no spicy, and then I wanted protein, so mine was very limited, so that's why I kind of stopped it for now.
Chocolate pretzel dippers. That's always good. I know one of the ones I haven't eaten yet on my counter is
I like this, the sound
caramel apple dipper things. This is maple oat squares with superfood maca. Is that how you say it? Maca. It says it's new, so obviously I mean I doubt either of us have tried it before.
I'm glad it's maple. New. That's cool for fall.
And then vitamin E defense. It's got hazelnut, peanuts, cranberries, raisins. Pretty sure I had this in my last box, which I like. So yay. And then the last one, I think my sister's gotten one similar to this.
I've gotten those.
This one's handmade oatmeal cinnamon cookies, and it comes with little special blend black tea.
My daughter always wants the tea, and then usually I end up giving her the cookies and the tea. So I'm like, if you want to have them,
so yeah,
why not?
That is it. I know it has something on the bottom here.
And again, it's about $15 for this, but sometimes they'll do like 10% off, or your first box for $10, or they'll do some kind of deal. Usually, they're really good with customer service.
I don't know.
And you can push off your box. That's what I've done for now. Vacation for my box.
Wink. Or
I think this is Wink.
Superbly crafted wines prepared with your snacks delivered straight to your door. Get 2 complimentary bottles at trywink.com/Graze. And then the back has, I don't know, I guess the same information, but just in case you guys wanted to see that was in the bottom of the box.
They always give us something in the bottom, I feel like, so It's always a mystery. But that was it for this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up for being so short as always and getting to the point, even though we do like to jibber jabber sometimes. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 100 subscribers, and that is coming around the bend very, very shortly. So we'll see you in our next video. Take care.
Bye.